This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Zapier to automate invoicing for your clients. First thing you'll need is Zapier. If you don't know what this is, or if you don't have an account, check out my other videos for a step-by-step tutorial on how to set this up for yourself. So you want to go onto your Zapier account and create a new Zap. And from that, we'll start with a trigger. Triggers are the start of any automation, and they're actually what sets it off. For this example, we want it to create a payment link after the client is closed. So our trigger will be an update in our CRM, moving the client to the close stage. Now, you can use whatever CRM you use. Zapier integrates with over 5,000 different applications. We use Notion. We have a custom Notion database for all of our clients, and everyone loves it. So if you're following along watching this, choose your CRM and add that as a trigger. Step 2 is to create a product. So we go over to Stripe, connect your Stripe account, and then create a product within Stripe. The only thing we have to add here is the package name. We usually just put the client's company name, package, and add a description of what the services will be given them. For example, if our customer was Fluxomate, this will come up as Fluxomate's package, and the description will be a list of automation services we could offer them. Press continue and test the automation to make sure everything's running smoothly. Once you've tested it and made sure everything's working properly, let's move on to the next step, which is creating a price in Stripe. The first thing we need to set up within the step is the product. For this, simply link the product ID from the previous step we just made. The next thing we have to input is the price. Now, we get this directly from a CRM, but there's a little trick that you need to know before doing this. Stripe uses this in cents. So whatever price you get from your CRM, add 2 zeros at the end. For example, if I want to charge £1,000, I'm not going to write 1,000, I'm going to write 100,000, because £1,000 is 100,000 pence. I hope that makes sense. Play around with it, you understand what I mean. The next thing we need to add is the currency. This has to be in a 3-letter ICO currency code. So for example, if I want to put pounds, I put GPB. If you want to use Canadian dollars, put CAD, whatever your client needs. Next, if you want this to be reoccurring or a one-time fee, you're going to have to make that decision. If it's reoccurring, you have to select the frequency. Usually this just means once a month, but you can also select the interval count you want it. For example, if you wanted it to be once every 3 months, simply change this to free, and that will charge a client every 3 months. Once again, this is only necessary if you're setting up a recurring payment. If it's just a one-time payment, then you don't have to worry about any of this, and instead of putting a recurring cage, leave it as one time. Once you've inputted all that data, test the automation, and let's move on to the next step, which is actually creating a payment link. So the first thing we want to do here is link the price that we just created in the previous step using a price ID. Set the quantity as 1, and that's basically it. Once you test it, it will provide you with a payment link, and you can feel free to check it out for yourself. If you've done everything correctly, we'll have the correct price, description, and package name straight from the CRM. The next step would be to actually send this to your client. Now, there's a million different ways to do it. Probably the easiest way is through email. I would recommend incorporating this into your existing onboarding automations. So you would simply send this in your onboarding email at the bottom with just a link so they can easily pay. And that's how you can actually set up this automation to automatically send your clients invoices when you close them. If any of this sounded interesting, I've got a document with 4 actionable tools you can use to automate your agency. I have a run on autopilot so you can focus on the important things. There's even a savings calculator to show you the thousands that automations can save your agency. We usually give it to clients when they first sign up, but I'm more than happy to share it with you guys for free to get you started on an automation journey. This isn't even 1% of what we can do using automation. So if you want to move from operator to CEO without losing any personal touch or control of your agency, book in a demo call with our team. We're more than happy to speak to you and see if you're a good fit for us. But we release all this content for free. The only thing we ask from you is to actually implement this in your agency because they can be a real game changer. If you want access to this specific template, all you have to do is take a screenshot of this video, show me that you're subscribed and you've liked the video, and I'll send it over to you for free on Instagram. If you have any questions about the automation in this video, just drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Until then, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.